Let's talk about Philips HD 360 2025 Perfect Draft Beer Dispenser. Perfect Draft Beer Machine, ideal for home use as it's a very smart piece of kit. Easy to use, simply plug and play, no gas cylinders required. Superb build quality by Philips, this machine has a great finish quality in its black and chrome finish. Choice of various beer kegs. We supply the following kegs for use with this machine: Leffe, search for B019QPCBJM. Hoegaarden, search for B01Gs56A7W, Jupiler, search for BO1FR350 and more. You pay for what you get, quality draft beer in your home, chilled to perfection, a fantastic bit of kit. Lots of different types of beers to suit everyone. Has the best larger selection. Stella, Bud, Beck's and Löwenbräu. Expensive, but great for parties or having your mates to watch the football. Can take a while to chill the 6-liter keg, but it's worth the wait for the quality of beer. My husband was very pleased with this Christmas present. It will come into its own over the summer, I'm sure. Looking forward to using it when we have family BBQs. Top quality product and does exactly as you would wish. Perfect temp control, tap pours just like the bar, but the product was even fresher. Excellent purchase,